Okay, guys, back to World 4 and some of our cousins. And so, if I drop the camera down, leave it there for a minute.
Ah! Stay back.
So I'll just let it happen.
Get back.
I have a Nerf war. Let's do this.
Ready? Ready, guys?
Yep.
You all ready?
Let's do this.
Go!
Get in the game room.
Alright, stop. Time out. Time out.
YouTube.
I'm locking the doors.
Okay. Ashley, come on. In.
Okay. Okay.
No.
I just locked the door so nobody can come in.
Ashley, lock it.
No, it doesn't lock in the inside, stupid. Okay, it's locked. Leave it there.
Guys, you got a hole right here.
Okay, guys. We're about to kick some butt. Let's do this. This is who we're against. Say hello to YouTube. This is YouTube. Say hello.
Abby, come in. Abby, come in. Abby, come in.
Get in. Get in.
Abby, get in.
Get in.
Leave Ella.
We have another opponent.
Hey, Abby, say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Yeah. So
Wait, we just hide from
say hello to YouTube.
My mommy said you gotta lock the door.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna open
We had to
it.
lock the doors so they couldn't come in. We have a big game room.
That's
Sit.
big.
And my
And
awesome
just to
Nerf
say,
best.
we are not rich, but very wealthy.
Yeah, we're not
By the way,
rich.
I'm lazy.
Don't say we are.
I'm stupid. Good for you.
We're just outside.
Hey, I'm lazy and stupid.
Okay, stay still.
And I'm scared.
Yeah, such a specialist. Look at this.
And you can.
Hold
Get
this
in
camera.
the
Hey, you! You!
Get in the can. Get in the can.
So, I'm about to put the camera down and we're gonna play some basketball.
Ah, we're trapped. Shooter.
Guys, you can watch basketball right now.
I see.
You see the basketball hoop? Let's play some basketball.
Ooh. Get the
Tiny
hoop up.
ball.
Get the hoop up. Oh. Oh.
Let's have a question.
This door is soundproof.
This is sick. We're just locking everyone out.
Here.
No, put it down. I'm moving it so you can see. Leave it there.
She's breathing. Why do you lock it? She Yeah. Ashton.
See a better view?
Hold it.
There you go.
Okay. You got it. Go.
There we go.
Basketball access. It's locked. It's locked. It's locked. That's what I need. Shooter. Hey, don't get
Okay, what is going on?
Lock down.
We're in. Huh?
Hey.
right back. Just me. Stay. I'm gonna go get my pink towels.
What are you knocking at your own house for?
Oh no. My handcuffs. Here they are. Got the keys. Oops. Let's do this. It's a little messy in here, but whatever. Got him. Let me in. No, go. Get her away. Get back in. Get off now. Get back in here. Come here. Come in front of the camera.
No, I'm scared.
Come here.
No.
No, you have to stay. Come here. Oh my God. Just come here. People. Let's do this. Gotta go find them. There's lock the door. Brayden! Whoa, it is light out. You see me? You see me? Holy crap. Woo! Where's Brayden and Yanni?
They went out back there.
Sorry, but I'm gonna be outside.
Hi.
Brayden! Come here. Go back in. Get back in. Get in!
We don't have any other guns. Dang it, we left the guns in the box.
I have guns.
Okay.
Okay. Take everything off.
Now she's gonna want to come in and move back. They don't have to. Brayden, you are locked in the game. Guys, we need duct tape. This is the mongols. I need to get out.
No, stay.
Guys.
Got a new gun.
Guys,
She said, fire! Look how far you have to pull the
we don't
trigger.
want you guys in here because we're having enough ones. And if you guys get shot, you're gonna start getting. So if you guys want to
Are you okay with being shot?
Yeah, because look at this. Look at us.
Wait,
How much you got?
do you want to be shot by this?
No.
Wait.
Get shot by this? Yeah.
Brayden, grab that bullet. Oh my gosh. Grab that bullet. Brayden. Brayden. Come here.